Welcome to English Beginner Zone. Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a conversation about choosing a new pet. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story about Tony and Diana. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. What is the name of the cat that Diana chooses? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video.
Tony, I have been thinking about this for a long time. I really want a pet to keep me company, but my apartment is quite small and I work a lot. I don't know which animal is right for me. Can you help me choose?
Of course, Diana. Choosing a pet is a big responsibility, so we need to find an animal that truly fits your lifestyle. We're at the pet shop now. Come on, let's go inside and take a look. I'm sure we'll find a pet that feels right for you. So, let's start with this section. What do you think about this hamster? Look at him. He's tiny, round, and fluffy. His little paws keep moving, and those bright black eyes make him look so curious.
Aw, he looks really adorable. He's so small and cute and he wouldn't need much space, but hamsters sleep during the day and only wake up at night. When I come home from work, I want a pet that can spend time with me. I'm afraid our schedules wouldn't match.
I understand. No problem. Let's go to the next section. Now we're at the bird section. What do you think about this parrot? Look at those bright green feathers and that red tail. He keeps tilting his head like he's listening to us.
Wow, he looks so cute and clever. I love his colors, and teaching him to talk would be really fun. But parrots can be very loud. I live in a quiet apartment building, and I don't want to disturb my neighbors.
That makes sense. Being a good neighbor is important. No problem. Let's check the next section. Here we are at the fish section. What do you think about this goldfish? Look at the way it glides through the water. Its golden scales shine beautifully under the light.
It's really beautiful. Watching it swim feels so peaceful. But I want a pet I can touch and feel close to. A fish is lovely, but I can't cuddle with it after a long day.
I see. That's important too. Let's move on to the next section. What do you think about this rabbit? Look at those long ears and soft white fur. He keeps twitching his tiny nose.
Oh, he looks really cute. He seems so soft and gentle. But rabbits need more space to move around, and I'm not home enough to give one the attention it deserves.
You're thinking very carefully. That's a good thing. Don't worry. Let's go to the next section.
Is there really no pet that's right for me? We've looked at so many animals, but none of them seem to fit my life.
Hey, don't be disappointed. We've already done something important. We've looked at many animals, and now we understand better what kind of pet you really need. But there's still one more section. Come on, let's go take a look. Here we are. This is the last section. What do you think about this one?
Wait, look at her. She's sitting so quietly by the window. Her fur is soft and white, and her green eyes are big and curious. She keeps looking right at me. Oh, she's purring. When I put my hand closer, she rubbed her little head against my fingers.
That's a very good sign. She already feels comfortable with you.
She's perfect, Tony. I think a cat is exactly what I need. She's calm, quiet, and independent. She can live happily in a small apartment and she doesn't need constant attention while I'm at work. But when I come home, she can still sit with me, and I can cuddle with her while watching a movie. I choose her.
I knew we would find the right one. She really suits you. Lu-
You know, Tony, while we were walking around the shop, I kept feeling a little lost. We looked at so many animals. Every time I thought maybe I had found the right one, I realized something didn't fit. For a moment, I thought maybe there wasn't any pet for me at all. But when I found her, everything suddenly felt calm and clear. I want to call her Luna.
Luna? That's a beautiful name. Why Luna?
Because this whole search felt like walking in the dark trying to find the right path. And when I found her, it felt like moonlight guiding me. Quiet, gentle, and comforting. That's why I think Luna is the perfect name for her.
I love that. It fits her perfectly.
Thank you so much for helping me today, Tony. If you hadn't come with me, I would still be confused. I'm really happy now.
I'm glad you found the perfect pet. Come on, let's get everything Luna needs. A carrier, some toys, and high-quality cat food.
Yes, let's go. I can't wait to take Luna home.
What is the name of the cat that Diana chooses? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with simple and practical expressions for daily life. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.